Video, I will show you how to test this 2016 Mazda 6 full LED headlight. Wire connectors. The connector with 3 pins controls the daytime running light. The first pin on the left controls, the middle pin is the positive for the daytime running light low mode. The pin on the right is the positive for the daytime running high mode. The pin in the top right corner is the positive for the high beam. The second pin is the positive for the low beam. Here is the daytime running light low mode. Here's the low beam main projector. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.